Hey guys, Chris from Provo Beast Audio Installation, and today we're doing an unboxing of this Pioneer single-DIN Bluetooth multimedia radio. In this unboxing, we're going to show you this radio specifically, all the accessories that it comes with, and then finally we're actually going to put some power to it and show you some of the features within the menus. Let's get started. Now this radio specifically is the MVH-S21BT. You can commonly find these at Walmart. It's a very budget-friendly radio. We picked one of these up for about 50 bucks, even during COVID. Again, some of the big features on the box as it is displayed. It comes with Bluetooth, so this is a really good budget-friendly option. It's a quality brand that allows you to have Bluetooth that's reliable within the car. Also compatible with Android here. Remember, it's a digital multimedia unit, meaning it does not have a slot for CDs, so you can't have CDs here. It's really nice unit for the money. First thing we have here is our wiring harness, the radio removal keys in case you use the middle can, as well as mounting hardware. We have a manual and warranty information. Okay, and here is the radio itself. I actually really like this new style radio that Pioneer's come out with. It has kind of a gloss finish here in the center and a matte finish here on the outsides. You can see how short this is. Since we're not having to accommodate a disk drive in this radio, it has a much shorter chassis design. Now, it does include, and you don't forget, it does include the can that's already on the radio. So if you have a dash kit that requires you to use the middle can to hold the radio, Pioneer includes the can, but it's already mounted on the radio, and all you have to do is relieve the clips on both sides and it will slide on off. Now here on the front we have quite a few buttons and options here. So starting on the left hand corner is our source button. Then right below that you have your phone Bluetooth button, and towards the very bottom you have your return button. Your select button is going to be your center button that you just click on the volume knob. Nice thing is this has a nice large clean looking volume knob, which we like a lot. So the next button here is you have a little search option icon. Now you have a built-in mic. This is different because it doesn't have an external mic as previous versions of this. I guess this is one way that Pioneer has cut down on the cost of producing these radios. Now it has a button for a display, obviously track up and track down. You have an up and down option that also is a double feature, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can have your radio presets, but additionally has up and down, play and pause, your shuffle, and your repeat buttons as well. Now here on the bottom right hand corner is your aux input, and then here's your USB input as well. Those are generally all the buttons on the front of the radio itself. The final feature here is we can push this corner button. What it's going to do is allow you to remove the faceplate, put the faceplate back on if needed. So here on the back side we have our Motorola AM/FM input here. Next to that we have a 10 amp fuse and our main power harness input plug. Now we have a large aluminum heatsink here on the back of the radio to keep the unit cool. One set of free outs, and generally this is set for a subwoofer output. This is a super basic model here. That's really all the features that you get. Fortunately you still get pre-outs in case you add an external amplifier. So at this point, let's go ahead and get some power to this guy. We'll do a quick demo of the options and the menus and everything in case you want to see this for yourself in action. Okay, this is the first time boot up here. Now it looks like the backlight sets to red. It's going to go right into demo mode, but we don't need that. So we have our main menu. We'll have our system. Looks like in the system menu we have our clock. Aux you can set as on or off here. We can turn our demo off. Bluetooth audio we have to set to on. You can clear your Bluetooth menu. So if you have too many phones paired to this and it can't pair to any more additional phones, you go into the menu to clear those. Bluetooth version. USB auto is on. So if you plug something in there, it'll automatically switch over to that. So scroll is set to scroll once, or you can scroll none, or you can scroll multiple times in the system. So we'll hit back. We'll go to your initial setup. You can reset the system. You can set up your dimmer. So what we'll do is we'll go into the radio itself. So it automatically goes to radio. So if we hit our source, We have our aux, your Bluetooth audio. USB would show up if one was connected. So with your radio, you can go your presets forward and back, or you can hard scroll left and right here. If you want to hard set, let's say 90.3 as one of your favorites, you just hold down the 1 and it'll assign it there. Now to pair your Bluetooth device to this radio, essentially here, since our Bluetooth is already set to on, you go to the Bluetooth settings in your phone and you'll click on this radio. This radio will show up as its model number here. Your phone will ask you to pair, and then the radio will ask you to pair, and all you have to do is accept by clicking yes by hitting that center button. Now additionally here, if you have any questions on pairing your Bluetooth, be sure to refer to your manual that's included with the instructions. Alright, so that's about it for this radio unboxing and demo. Not a ton of features to go by since this is a very basic unit. However, if you do want to see it in action, we're going to be installing this on a Ford Escape. Check that on out. We'll have a link in the description as well as a card up above. Thanks guys for watching. If you have any questions about this unit itself, go ahead and post a comment below. Also comment if you have this radio and what you think about it, just to help everybody else out. Hit the like button if you like what you saw. Don't forget to subscribe. We post great content all the time on the channel, and we will see you in the next video.